Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the best and most interesting products to help you make informed decisions. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most fun and unique ways to decorate your Easter eggs, Dudley's Spin and Egg Decorating Kit. If you're looking for something exciting, creative, and easy to use, this kit just might be your new favorite crafting tool. Let's check it out. First off, let's talk about why this is the best when it comes to egg decorating. Dudley's Spin and Egg Decorating Kit takes egg coloring to the next level. Unlike the traditional way of dipping eggs into color cups, this kit gives you a fun, spin-driven method that delivers vibrant, evenly applied colors on your eggs. Whether you're prepping for Easter or just want to add a creative touch to your kitchen or home decor, this kit makes it easy and mess-free. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started. The kit includes a spinning tool, which is the real magic behind the process, along with several cups of food-safe dye. It's simple to set up, and within minutes, you'll be spinning and decorating your eggs like a pro. The spinner allows you to apply color to the eggs quickly and evenly, with minimal effort on your part. Here's how it works. You place the egg inside the spinner, add a few drops of food coloring, and spin. The centrifugal force ensures that the dye coats the egg in smooth layers, making it a fun and easy activity, especially for kids. The colors come out bright and vibrant every time, giving you that perfect, Easter-ready egg. What I love about this kit is how customizable it is. You can experiment with different color combinations and create unique patterns. Whether you want a multicolored, tie-dye effect or just solid, bright hues, the possibilities are endless. And because the spinner keeps the dye contained, it's much less messy than the usual dipping or painting methods. This isn't just about decorating eggs. It's about spending quality time with friends and family, bringing out your creative side, and having fun. The Dudley's Spin and Egg Decorating Kit is a great way to engage with your kids, or even host a mini Easter egg competition. It's perfect for any age group, from young children to adults who want to have a little fun with their food. The kit is compact and easy to store, and it's not just for Easter. You can use it year-round for birthdays, parties, or any other occasion where you want to add a colorful touch to your eggs. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to clean, so once the decorating is done, you won't be left with a ton of extra work. Overall, Dudley's Spin and Egg Decorating Kit is a simple yet innovative product that brings a lot of fun to any egg decorating session. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned pro, you'll appreciate how easy and effective it is. It's colorful, creative, and the best part, it's mess-free. If you're looking to try something new and exciting for your next decorating session, I highly recommend giving this kit a go. That's all for today's review. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more awesome reviews. We'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!